Drowning in invoices and vendor payments, let's cut through the accounts payable clutter and decide whether Billcom or Melio is the right fit for your business. First, we'll break down Billcom. Think of it as a powerful, all-in-one AP solution. It's packed with features like automated invoice capture, customizable approval workflows, and robust reporting. This makes it a great option for businesses with more complex accounts payable needs and who are seeking serious automation. Now, let's explore Melio. Melio is all about simplicity and ease of use. Its intuitive interface makes paying vendors a breeze. Even if you are not an accounting expert, it is a fantastic choice for smaller businesses or those just starting out who need a straightforward way to handle payments. When deciding between the two, consider your business size. Are you a small startup or a large enterprise? Also, how complex are your current accounts payable processes? What level of automation do you need? Billcom might be your best bet if you need advanced features and automation, but if you prefer simplicity and ease of use, Melio could be the better choice, especially if you're a small business. The best solution really boils down to your specific needs and priorities, so weigh your options carefully. Still on the fence? Check out the links in the description to explore each platform further. And don't forget to subscribe for more business finance tips.